Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture Minister General Sanyatwe has appointed a new board of directors for the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe (NACZ), marking a significant reshuffle in the governance of the country's creative sector. General Sanyatwe takes tables at National Arts Council. Subscribe or like on the bell. The announcement comes at a politically sensitive moment for Sanyatwe, a key military figure whose recent trajectory within the state has been shaped by factional tensions inside ZANU-PF and shifting power dynamics between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the military-linked elites. Sanyatwe, once considered one of the most influential commanders in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, was the former head of the Presidential Guard Brigade and a central figure in the 2017 military-assisted political transition that brought Mnangagwa to power. However, his rise was abruptly interrupted in 2019 when he was sent to Tanzania as ambassador, a diplomatic posting widely interpreted as a demotion and an effort by President Mnangagwa to dilute the power of military commander perceived as long close to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sanyatwe was among a group of senior officers affected during Mnangagwa's attempts to reassert civilian supremacy and neutralize military influence in politics following the 2017 operation. His recall from diplomatic service in 2023 and appointment as a cabinet minister in 2024 was therefore viewed by analysts as part of the ongoing reshuffling of power blocks inside ZANU-PF, representing Mnangagwa's attempt to rebalance key portfolios while also maintaining influence over figures previously aligned with Chiwenga. It is against this backdrop of internal ZANU-PF maneuvering that Sanyatwe has now unveiled the latest NACZ board, a move some insiders see as consolidating his authority within the ministry and extending his political presence beyond the security sector. Among the most notable decisions is the reappointment of Dr. Nozibo J. Marairi as board chairperson for a second term. Sanyatwe described her leadership as transformative, crediting here with the driving significant institutional growth since 2021. According to a statement from the NACZ, the board's mandate running from 2025 to 2029 under the Public Entities Corporate Governance Act includes crafting national arts policy, strengthening governance and funding frameworks, and advancing programs that expand public participation in arts development. The newly appointed NACZ board comprises, and then Domazita alistiwa au add on the screen. Comment section menus of Guru Enyo, what would you pump so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.